Close your eyes and imagine walking into your grandma's kitchen. The smell of cinnamon and apples wafting through the air, the warmth of the oven, and the promise of a delicious apple pie. This humble dessert, steeped in personal and cultural memories, symbolizes comfort, love, and tradition. It's more than just a pie. It's a slice of nostalgia. Our aim? To recreate this feeling, this taste of home. Today, we embark on a journey to recreate this classic dessert, guiding you through each step to apple pie perfection. Start with the basics: fresh, crisp apples, unbleached flour, unsalted butter, sugar, and spices. The apple selection is crucial. You want a mix of sweet and tart, so consider Granny Smith for tartness and Honeycrisp for sweetness. They hold their shape well and provide a balanced flavor profile. Unbleached flour is the next key player. It's less processed than bleached flour and gives your crust a beautiful golden color. Now let's talk butter. Unsalted, of course. Butter is what gives your crust that dreamy, flaky texture. It's all about the cold, hard fat creating pockets of steam during baking. Sugar, both granulated and brown, adds sweetness, but brown sugar also offers a hint of molasses that pairs perfectly with apples. And of course, spices. Cinnamon and nutmeg are classics, but don't shy away from cardamom or allspice. They can add an unexpected depth of flavor. Quality ingredients are the foundation of a perfect apple pie. Gather them with care. The crust can make or break your apple pie. It's an art in itself. Crafting the perfect crust begins with simple ingredients: flour, butter, salt, and ice water. The magic happens when you start cutting in the butter. This technique involves incorporating cold butter into the flour until you have small, pea-sized pieces. The chill is crucial here as it ensures a flaky crust. Next comes the chilling of the dough. Wrap it tightly and let it rest in the fridge. This allows the gluten in the flour to relax and the butter to firm up again. After it's chilled, it's time to roll it out, but be gentle. Overworking the dough can lead to a tough crust. The key to a perfect crust is to work quickly and handle the dough as little as possible. Remember, patience and precision are key to a perfect crust. Now comes the heart of the pie, the apple filling. The magic truly begins at this stage. Start by peeling, coring, and slicing your apples. Blend them with sugar, cinnamon, and a touch of nutmeg for that classic apple pie flavor. Once that is done, layer this aromatic mixture onto your beautifully prepared crust. Now, let's talk about avoiding that dreaded soggy bottom. A little trick is to brush the bottom crust with a beaten egg before adding your filling. This creates a seal, preventing the juices from soaking through. Next, gently place your top crust over the filling. Make sure to crimp the edges for a nice seal and that quintessential pie look. Brush the top with a little more egg wash for a golden, shiny crust. Finally, the baking. Set your oven to a cozy 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 50 minutes. Keep an eye on it though. When the crust is golden and the filling is bubbling, it's done. And there you have it, your own perfect apple pie, a blend of nostalgia and mastery. To summarize, perfecting an apple pie is about quality ingredients, a well-made crust, a flavorful filling, and careful baking. It's a culinary journey that starts with hand-picking the freshest apples, creating a flaky, buttery crust, and ends with a patient, watchful baking process. Each step is a testament to the beauty of homemade delights. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a delicious memory of your own. Remember, the secret ingredient is always love, just like Grandma's kitchen.